So, as you know that Jaya and Sanjay are dating for almost 2 years. They started dating around June end, and Jaya is not from our college, she is from different college. So in their talking stage, Sanjay was talking to multiple girls because for him, nothing was that kind of serious. Sanjay was talking to one more girl named Riddhi, his classmate. Riddhi also liked him back. So, 1 month into Sanjay and Jaya's relationship, he was also talking to Riddhi continuously without Jaya knowing. Jaya used to sleep early and Sanjay was a really outgoing guy. So one time what happened, Riddhi called Sanjay at around 12:30 night and told him, I want to go on a bike ride. And Sanjay was like, okay, let's go. They were out till 5 in the morning. And Riddhi lives in PG. So how she got the permission, we still don't know. And by the way, Jaya was not aware of anything. Believe me, part 2 gets even crazier. So please do subscribe to the channel.